Have you been told to let your air out when you lift something heavy? Here is why. You're not doing it right, by the way. Here's why. You have a transverse abdominal muscle. It's shaped just like the back brace. And when you forcefully exhale, it causes a contraction of the muscle. It causes the body to decompress. It squeezes in, pushing the top down, top up, and the bottom down. Here's what you need to do. Get a balloon or a marker. This is a little tip, by the way, from the back and core program. You're getting a little dose of what's amazing inside. All right. Start with a balloon or put a marker in your mouth. You're going to learn how to use this muscle. Now, keep your body as aligned as possible. You're going to find you're going to want to fold forward. Don't do that. Get that balloon in your mouth. Take a huge breath in. Put the balloon in your mouth and put a marker in your mouth. Now, force all of your air out. Force it out. Keep pushing it. More. Feel the contraction of here? Now, keep your body aligned. That forceful expiration is a portion of what it takes to decompress your spine. Now, let's tie that into the lift. Ready? Let's do this. So, now, what you're going to do, go and start from the, there you go. Bring up the top first round. Good. Now, that you practice that 50 times, which you didn't, take a big breath all the way in. Now, touch the weight on the bottom. Now, forcefully exhale on the way up. Force it out until you feel the contraction of the core. Again, take a breath in. Touch that weight. Force it out without over-flexing. That is a quick tip on how to activate your transverse abdominis, which will help you decompress your spine. More in the back and core program. It's my favorite section.